Namaskar everyone. Welcome you to in my YouTube channel Gadaili Digital Labs. In this video, I will teach you how to remove white background from logo. Let's start today's tutorials. Here I have one logo with white background. In this video I will remove this logo's white background. Now right click in this logo, select open with and click on Adobe Photoshop 2021. Now opening Adobe Photoshop. Click on View menu and click on Fit on Screen. Click on Select menu, then click on All or press Ctrl plus A. Click on Edit menu. Click on copy or press Ctrl plus C. Create a new layer, then delete this background layer. Click on Paint Bucket tool and select Paint Bucket tool. Set foreground color black. Click to fill layer. Add a mask to layer. Holding Alt key and click on layer mask thumbnail. Click on Edit menu and click on Paste or press Ctrl plus V. Click on Image menu. Select Adjustment and then select Invert. Click on Layer thumbnail. Click on Move tool. Click on Select menu and then click on Deselect or press Ctrl plus D. Now your logo is ready to use without white background. Okay, successfully remove white background from this logo. Now click on File menu and click on Save As and rename this file logo with transparent background and click on Save. Okay. Now close this file. And close this Adobe Photoshop. Now open the PNG file. Here the final design. Now rename this after this logo before. Here before and after. I hope you will know this to remove white background from logo. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.